you how to make public profile on Snapchat. So let's get started. So if you want to make a public profile on Snapchat, then what you can do is just simply open up your Snapchat application. After opening up your Snapchat application, just tap on the profile icon which is on the top left corner of your screen. After tapping on your profile icon, now you'll find this option which is My Public Profile. So what you can do is you can create My Public Profile. So what you can do is you can create a public profile by tapping on this option which is My Public Profile. But if you don't find this option in your account, then it is because you have an account which is under 18. So this option is only allowed to those whose accounts are above 18. So what you can do is first change your date of birth. So to access this feature, you have to change your date of birth. So just tap on the gear icon which is on the top left corner of your screen. Then tap on birthday. And after tapping on birthday, change your date of birth which is above 18. So just change your date of birth that is above 18, and after doing that, what you can do is just scroll down and check few of the options. So here you can find this option which is private control. So inside your private control you can find this option which is contact me. Just tap on contact me, and now if it's only on friends, you can just change it to friends and contacts. And after doing that, here you can find the second option which is view my story. So just tap on view my story, and after tapping on that, now you can change this to friends only. And after doing that, just select this option which is see me in quick add, and you have to turn this option on. So if it's turned off, you have to just turn it on, and after turning that option on, now what you can do is just simply come back to your home screen. And after coming back to your home screen, open up your Play Store, and after opening up your Play Store, search for Snapchat. After searching for Snapchat, you can check if your Snapchat application has an update. So if you have an outdated version of Snapchat, you might not find this feature because it's new. So you just have to update your Snapchat application, and after updating your Snapchat application, you'll find that option. So just follow these steps, and after following these steps, you can also create a public profile on Snapchat. So now to create a public profile, what you can do is just tap on this option which is My Public Profile, and after tapping on that option, you have to follow some on-screen steps, and after continuing all those steps and allowing all the permissions, you can make your public profile. So that's it guys, this is how to make public profile on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.